Hey, what's up, my people? Welcome, guys. So we have this guy here who says, PK, what's your take on third-party sites? Nimeona wasee wakiuda kutrade deriv, yeah? So we have actually so many traders who have actually who has actually created these third-party websites. And I have actually seen a number of comments from some of you who are actually asking for my reviews regarding that party website. And actually, I think done a video before, but it is almost it's over 5 months ago when I did my first video on that party website. So recently I've been going through my FYP and actually also came across a guy who was actually claiming that traders are actually creating that party website and stealing from people. So I wish first of all to disagree with that information. So this is what you need to know about that party website. So first of all, I'll start explaining on how this people are able to come up with that party website, where they are needed, when can you actually use that party website, and some of the third-party websites that you need to avoid. So first of all, what are these third-party websites? So, and is it around or is it legal to actually own a third-party website? So first of all, first thing before we proceed, one thing that you need to understand: third-party website, third-party deriv website are actually around, and these third-party websites are created using what you call the deriv API. For those guys who don't understand what is actually an API means application programming interface. That means the deriv will actually give you an interface at the back end where you can actually be able to code that is your application and link it with your deriv and link it with that is with the deriv for information sharing. Yeah, so like you can actually be able to trade on a third-party website, and it's just all the same as when you are trading in in the deriv main website. So these third-party websites are meant for so many purposes. One, you can actually be able to create a customized website that works best for you, that can actually motivate you to be a good trader. At the same time, you can also integrate this website with the smart analysis tool that will actually help you in analysis. And when these tools are actually integrated with analysis, that means your trading results or your trading journey will be a bit more easier. The results will be more better. So this analysis tool are actually created to actually just give you to actually make the work easier for you. So instead of doing manual analysis and everything, you can actually go to a certain third-party website that offers certain services. Yeah. So the third-party website are just to make work easier for you. That is generally just to make work easier for you and make the tools of trade available for you at your own convenience. For example, you may go to a certain website, unapata hapo unapewa free bots. So for you to trade on that website, you can use there. If you want to use certain bots, you can use there. That is their robots. That means that site is actually giving you tools for trade. We have some other sites that will not give you the robot, but will give you the smart analysis tool. Then you need to trade using their website. Some other website will give you the smart analysis tools. You can also get the robot. So you just need to deposit money and have the skill and know how to actually apply this analysis tool and use this website. Then you can be able to make money. So there is no harm. There is no problem in using any third-party website. So I actually saw a guy saying that Korean has actually created a website that is actually stealing from Kenya's, but that's not true. So that this guy is actually arguing without doing his own research. This is how this third-party website works. Yeah. So the moment a developer or someone creates his a third party deriv website. So this is what normally happens. Anybody or any client who goes to trade on these websites, yeah, the owner of that website gets what you call a commission, yeah, and the commission varies from one website to the other because it's upon the trader or the owner of the website to actually decide how much commission are they ready to take, yeah. For example, you'll go to another website, they are taking 2%, that is of each and every contract. You go to another website, they are taking, for example, 3, another one 5. So the commission will actually vary. Yeah. So you go to another website, they are taking 1%, another website less than 1%. So the commission will vary. And why is it there? Why does the commission vary? Because it's a decision of the owner of the website to decide how much commission they want or how much they want to charge their clients. Yeah. So that is what this guy actually didn't understand. It's actually around, and the derivative actually gives the owners of these website that space to actually decide on the commissions they want to take. Yeah. So for example, you'll go to a certain website and stake something like let's say $20, and you are trading something like let's say under 8, and you are winning 4 point something dollars. Then the owner of the website will get, for example, a commission of 5%. So he'll get a commission of 5% for each and every contract you take. So if you go to a certain website, from your stake you win something like $10, they will take 5%. If their commission is 5%, he'll take 5% of $10. So if you go to that website and let's say $10, 5%, let's say assuming it is $1. So assuming you take 20 contracts on that website, that means they'll have made how much? You'll have made that is 20 contracts, and each contract is giving you $10. That means you'll have made yourself $200. Then if the trader was, if the owner of the website was taking $1, if the owner of the website was taking $1 for each contract, that means by the end of the day, the owner of the website will have to take home, that is $20. But sometimes it's worth it. Yeah, sometimes it's worth it, because this trader actually took his time. He developed this website. He gave you the robots, of which these robots he created them, some of which probably he even never created. He had to pay another developer to actually come up with these robots. At the same time, like, you are just getting so many stuffs. Yeah, so at times it's actually it's justified for them to actually take the commission, and it's not them to decide that they have to take a commission. Yeah, you have to take a commission. That is how derivative even though equal. Yeah, according to derivative, these we call them the partners policy. You have like that is the owners of these third-party website, they are allowed to take a commission, yeah, for each and every contract you take. So I don't have any problem anyone going to trade on a third-party website as long as you are getting value, yeah. So don't just go, because there are some guys who actually just create a third-party website, then they will just tell you, just go and trade on my website. Then by the end of the day, you are not getting any value for the commission that you are actually paying, because by the end of the day, you are actually being deducted commission for the website. But what are you getting back? You might be getting something like smart analysis. You might be getting free robots for trading. At the same time, probably you might be getting even the strategies that you can actually apply with the robots that are on those websites. So make sure, even if you are going to trade on those third-party websites, make sure you are getting value for that is for the commissions that you pay them. Make sure you are getting something. Don't just go and trade on any website like that does not give you any value. Yeah, you better trade on the main website. But if they are giving value, you better just go and trade on this website, those websites, get those free robots, get those smart analysis, get those strategies, and money. By the end of the day, our main goal is to make money. So if you just go on for example, my third-party website, I don't have one, but assuming I have one, you just go and make $500. What is the harm if I helped you to make $500? Then in return, I just want a commission of $30. There's no harm, as long as by the end of the day you get value for the you get value, that is for the commission that you pay on this website. So it's very simple. These tools are not there to steal from you. These tools are there just to make work easier for you, and to make tools available for you to make trading journey more easier, and like just make it easier for you to actually get these dollars. So it's actually very, very simple. So when you wanasema watu wanaibiwa, that's not true. That's not a fact, yeah. So first of all, they need to understand what is a derivative API. Goodbye. Let's meet in the next video.